everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Kristina Angelina and we are going to be doing some hair today. So as some of you know, or if you've tuned into my previous videos, you'd seen that I got a hair transformation. So what better way to celebrate that than with new gadgets? So I did receive this from Influencer and I just thought, why not? Let's just give it a first impression review. This is the Infinity Pro by Conair and this is the Knot Doctor. It's a Flex-A-Lite bristles for painless detangling, and you're basically blow drying, styling all at the same time with this one tool, and I think it's just perfect. Hopefully it's perfect. So I'm loving the color. Let's take a look at the actual device. So packaging inside, or packaging of the device itself, is really pretty simple. All it came with was this main body piece here with your plug-in cord and then your attachable head. This is more like a flat brush with bristles, and the pink part is more of a rubberized feel to it. And then you have your instruction manual. So this is the first time that I'm opening it up. I'm pretty excited. I hope it works really well. Straight off the bat, it's not heavy at all. You just attach this right on top until you hear the clicks, or 2 clicks, and it's very lightweight. It's honestly not heavy at all. Like it's really not that heavy, and when you're styling your hair, you definitely don't want your arms to get tired while doing it, so that is a plus already. It seems pretty easy to handle and to grip. It does have some settings here. I see an off setting, I see cool, low, and high, and then I see this snowflake emblem right here, which seems as a button. It does have an ionic technology, so you're basically giving your hair a positive charge on flyaway frizzy hair. So it eliminates static electricity, contributes to shine. So you're gonna shampoo your hair, towel dry, and you use the dryer handle without the attachment to remove excess moisture, and then you would just use this bad boy. It is a paddle brush with 136 Flex-A-Lite bristles, just the right number of space, just the right way. Epoxy tips gently massage scalp for painless detangling. So it has 3 heat settings and the cool shot, so that must be the snowflake. And it has a heat activated silicone for added shine in the cushion of the paddle itself, so that pink area. So I like how the manual is pretty detailed with which setting would work best on your hair. Me personally, I would probably go with low to high, all depending. We'll check it out right now. But what I think is really cool is that when you push the side buttons here, you can remove the top, but this right here is a blow dryer, so you're kind of getting a 2-in-1 action in one piece, and I do like that you can separate the pieces when you're traveling. So as you can see, I am fresh out the shower. My hair is towel dried, although it feels a bit more than damp at the moment. So I'm gonna go ahead and just, well, let's plug it in first. Okay, so now that we're plugged in, let's set it to low. It's not any louder than a normal blow dryer, so it's not extremely loud, but it's not extremely quiet either.
내게 한 가지 소원을 묻는다면 사랑이란 것을 목매 딸리지 않게 해줘. 난 그냥 자유롭게 멀리 날아가고 싶다. 가끔 모든 것이 널 잡는 것처럼
Hey guys, so I just got done doing my hair. My thoughts, final thoughts on this product. As you can see, it did a really good job of drying my hair and making sure it was straight. If I were to air dry it, it would be kind of wavy and it would just look a mess. But My only but with this is with myself and anyone else who may have a blunt cut. So I feel like if I had longer hair and it was layered, this would be everything to me. But I ended up still having to use a flat iron just to get it really pin straight. So for what it's for is you're looking for a blowout. So you're looking for voluminous, big hair that looks like it came out of a hair salon. But for me personally, I like, now that my hair is this way, I like my hair to be kind of pin straight and flat and not poofy and really just sleek. So for me, it helped my drying time cut like way in half with this. It was super easy to use, and it actually made my flat iron time like breeze by. But if you're someone who's looking for like a one product tool, if you're someone who likes your hair to be really voluminous, I mean, who doesn't at the end of the day? Like if you have longer hair, you like it to not look flat and dead, this will definitely give you the volume that you're looking for. It will help you dry your hair and style at the same time. It was really easy to use. Like, no matter how crazy I got with the blow dryer, this was able to brush through my hair and I wasn't like getting it stuck, because there were times where I would use the blow dryer and then try to run my brush through it and my brush was like, no girl, I will rip your hair out. And this was literally just combing right through my hair. It did give it a nice sheen to it. So even after flat ironing, I didn't feel like I needed to like add an oil to it, or it was already really shiny. So I definitely think that aspect of this works as well. I love that the head detaches from it, so you're able to have a blow dryer, and here's your styling tool. So if you only needed a blow dryer, here you go. It's nice and compact, and to style it you have this piece. But the fact that they're detachable makes it really easy to throw into your bag, whether you're going to work and you need a touch up, or you're going on vacation, or you're traveling and you just need something really convenient to take with you. I think this is great. Me personally, it wouldn't suit my needs right now. If I did ever take this with me, I would definitely use it for the blow dryer. Absolutely for the blow dryer. And with the styling, even just to get my hair really thoroughly dry quick, then yes. But for me personally, I'll have to still finish off with a straighten iron because I have a blunt cut. So I really like it to be nice and straight, and I'm not looking for too much body. That'll change down the road, whatever, but this is honestly a great tool to have. I definitely recommend it. So those are my honest thoughts. Shout out to Influencer for coming through with the great packages. So yeah, definitely try it out. This is the Not Doctor by Infinity Pro Conair, and I even noticed they have a round head one, which could really help with some curls, some beach waves. So yeah, look into the products, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.